Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. My name's Allie and this is the Adventures of Mally. On this channel, my husband Matt and I love sharing all of our adventures with you. So this vlog is another pontoon boat DIY vlog, and it is the third vlog in the series. I'll post a link up above of the playlist, so if you want to check out vlogs 1 and 2, feel free to click on that playlist so you can get all caught up. So the last vlog, we showed you the pontoon demo. We took off all the seats, we took out all the carpet, we sanded it down, and now this vlog is gonna be all about installing that boat vinyl. So come along in this adventure with us. So as you can see, Matt demoed the whole entire boat. This is basically where all the seats would be, the captain's chair. I mean, he pretty much took it all off. And then he took all the carpeting off, he sanded it all down, and then he used a putty, or a filler, that's what that white stuff is, to fill in all the cracks. So right now, this is the glue Matt is putting down. So we have to work kind of fast because obviously glue dries. So that's what Matt is doing. I'm actually going to help him with this. He's already put it down in the corner over there, but I'm just showing you this section. And this is the glue that he's using.
I've not put it down.
I can't see it. It's like a deckmate glue. So yeah, let's get working on this. Look how nice that is. So we rolled it all out. And now what Matt's doing is he's just taking a PVC pipe and applying pressure. We just want to make sure that there's not going to be any air bubbles. But it's actually pretty good. I was smoothing it out before and I'm not really feeling or seeing any air bubbles. And it looks really nice. So it took us about 10 minutes. You have to work fast with the glue because the glue will dry. So while Matt's getting the air bubbles out, I wanted to mention something that he just mentioned. I think I had posted a video where last week we actually rolled out the vinyl and let it sit on top of the boat for a week to kind of acclimate. It's really important that you do that because then it'll be less likely that you'll get air bubbles because the vinyl will already be flat. Kind of imagine like a wrapping paper roll, how it being on that roll, it curls around. You don't want it to be curly because then it'll get air bubbles. So make sure that you acclimate the boat vinyl before actually gluing it down. So Matt's just kind of finishing up, smoothing everything out. That's the noise that you hear in the background before we go on to the next step. Sadie, are you helping us today? Yeah. So the next step Matt is gonna do is he's gonna cut the edges. And then he is going to start stapling. So everything gets stapled after the edges are cut. But he also needs to cut this piece. This piece is to wrap around these. These were covering the battery and the gas tank, so he will be covering these with vinyl as well. So that is what that extra piece is for. And there's the dog. now the next day. Matt had shown in the previous clip some time lapse of him taking off the carpeting and doing some prep work to these items that I had shown you before. So today he's gonna finish up that project. So let me show you kind of what he did. So I had said in a previous clip that we were going to take off the carpeting for these. These are the covers for like the battery and some things here in the back. So this is what it looks like with the carpeting all off, basically down to bare wood. Here's another one right there. So he's got to do this one, and then he's got another one over there. So 2 more, and then he's also going to wrap these with the boat vinyl. So that is on his list of things to do today. And then also, hopefully today, he's going to put the boat helm back on the boat and rewire it. We had shown you in a previous vlog him taking it off when we showed you the demo. So after all the boat vinyl's on, we now have to start putting everything back on, and the boat helm is the first thing he wants to do because it requires a lot of complicated wiring and stuff like that. I also did want to point out that we have cut the edging off of this and then done some staples, so it looks really, really nice. Matt did a really great job, so when we go to put on the railings and put the boat back together, it'll look really super nice with the beautiful boat vinyl. So right now what Matt is doing is, this is the piece that he just glued the vinyl to. And then here's the vinyl, so he glued it to the underside. And then he has stones on it while it's drying so that the vinyl really sticks really well. And then he said that when it's done drying and on there, he'll just cut it a little bit more and then wrap it around and staple it. So then the whole piece will be covered. So this is also another piece he has to work on. He just has it on there to add some more weight, but he's got to take the carpet off of this one as well and do the same thing. So I just wanted to show you kind of his little setup here.
2,000 years later.
So hey guys, it's now many, many weeks later. Matt is all done with the floor installation. He has put everything back together, so I'm coming back on camera to show you the finished product. And it's gorgeous weather today. It is March, so I figured I'd show you the final product in the beautiful sunshine. So here is the outside of it. As you recall, he buffed up the tunes. We showed you a vlog on that. Just beautiful. And then he put all the pieces back together. He cleaned up a little bit more the vinyl on the seats. But the big reveal is the floor. And I'll try to take better shots, but look at how gorgeous this floor is. It just came out so beautiful. So here's kind of a close-up. You can see the pattern in the floor. It goes so well with these chairs. And then in the back, remember how I told you he took carpeting off of all of these? Here they are. And actually we decided to do a different color here. That was carpet. So this is different patterned vinyl, and we kind of decided to do that just to have a little bit of a contrast. So this is the same as the floor, and I think it turned out gorgeous. And then there is the other one. Just gorgeous. This floor is just going to be so great this summer, especially with cleaning. All you really have to do is hose it down, sweep it up. It's just going to be so great. And then another thing I wanted to show you is Matt actually installed a brand new stereo in here. There it is. And it's actually a Bluetooth stereo, so we can connect it via Bluetooth to our phones, don't need internet. So we can use our Amazon playlist to play some of our favorite music, and the sound is actually great. I did not vlog him installing this, but I did just want to quick show you that this brand new Bluetooth stereo system, it's going to be awesome. And also I did want to show you, we did get a new steering wheel for the boat. Looks fantastic, looks brand new. Just got it on Amazon. So it really rounds out this center console, and it just looks fantastic. And then also Matt moved actually the fish finder. It was kind of more up this way. He moved it down that way, or the depth finder, excuse me, because he does like to turn it around so that way if he's in that chair, he can look at it. So he did move that off to the side. And here is the motor and the anchor. Matt actually fixed the anchor. It was not working before, so he had to rewire it. So there you have it. That is our final vlog of our pontoon boat DIY, the floor installation. Let us know down in the comments down below, what do you think of the final product? Do you think it looks awesome? Are you just as excited as I am to get it out there this summer? I cannot wait. We have a few months before we put it in the water, but I will be showing you guys more vlogs to come of this lovely boat in the water, and I just can't wait. So thank you for joining us. Don't forget to join our adventure family by hitting that subscribe button down below. Also, don't forget to check out my complimentary channel, Ohana Adventures. That's a channel that I do with my best friend Liz, where I explore my love of all things Disney. Again, I hope you're having a fantastic week, and we'll have a fantastic weekend. And remember, it's a beautiful life out there, so go out there and find your adventure. See you real soon. Bye.